Hello students, I am your online teacher Anamika Jha. Today we will solve exercise 3.4 of our chapter 3 Playing with Numbers class 6 Mathematics NCERT book. Let's start exercise 3.4. Question number 1. Find the common factors of the following. To solve this question, we must first remember what are the common factors. When two or more numbers have same factors, that factors is known as a common factor. First, we have to find out the common factors of 20 and 28. Let's start with 20. 20 can be written as 1 into 20, which means that 1 and 20 are the factors of 20. Also, 20 can be written as 2 into 10 and 4 into 5. Therefore, all the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now, moving on to 28. 28 is equal to 1 into 28, which means that 1 and 28 are the factors of 28. Also, 28 is equal to 2 into 14, which means 2 and 14 are the factors of 28. 28 can also be written as 4 into 7. Therefore, all the factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Now we can see that out of all these factors, 1, 2 and 4 occur in both the list. Therefore, 1, 2 and 4 are common factors of 20 and 28. Next, we have to find out the common factors of 15 and 25. Let's start with 15. 15 is equal to 1 into 15 and 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Therefore, all the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Next, moving on to 25. 25 is equal to 1 into 25 and 25 is equal to 5 into 5. Therefore, all the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Now we can see that out of these factors, 1 and 5 occur in both the list. Therefore, 1 and 5 are the common factors of 15 and 25. Solution for C part is given. Solution for D part is also given. If you have doubt in any of these steps, please mention it in my comment box. Question number 2. Find the common factors of first part 4, 8 and 12. Here we have given 3 numbers. So let's start. We have 4. 4 can be written as 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. Therefore, all the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Next is 8. 8 can be written as 1 into 8 and 2 into 4. Therefore, all the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Next is 12. 12 is equal to 1 into 12, 2 into 6 and 3 into 4. Therefore, all the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Out of these, 1, 2 and 4 occurs in all the 3 lists. Therefore, 1, 2 and 4 are common factors of 4, 8 and 12. Next, we have to find out the common factors of 5, 15 and 25. Let's start with 5. 5 is equal to 1 into 5. 5 is a prime number. Therefore, all the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Next is 15. 15 is equal to 1 into 15 and 3 into 5. It means that all the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Next is 25, which is equal to 1 into 25 and 5 into 5. Therefore, all the factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Out of these, 1 and 5 occur in all the 3 lists. Therefore, 1 and 5 are common factors of 5, 15 and 25. Question number 3. Find first three common multiples of the following. First, we will recollect what are multiples. Multiples are the number obtained by multiplying the given number with the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now, what are common multiples? The common multiples of two or more numbers are the multiples that are common to every given number. Now we will solve the first part. First, we will find out the multiples of 6. We will multiply 6 with the counting numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. So when you multiply 6 with 1, you will get 6. 6 into 2 is 12, 6 into 3 is 18, 6 into 4 24, 6 into 5 30, 6 into 6 36, 6 into 7 42 and so on. Similarly, we can find out multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and so on. Out of these multiples, 24, 48 and 72 occur in both the list. Therefore, the first three common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24, 48 and 72. Next part, we have to find out the common multiples of 12 and 18. Multiples of 12 are 12 into 1 12, 12 into 2 24, 12 into 3 36, 12 into 4 48 and so on. Multiples of 18 are 18 into 1 18, 18 into 2 36, 18 into 3 54 and so on. We will keep on multiplying 18 till the time we get 3 common multiples. So out of these, 36, 72 and 108 occur in both the list. Therefore, 36, 72 and 108 are the common multiples of 12 and 18. Question number 4. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. Here, instead of finding individual multiples of 3 and 4, and then finding the common multiples, there is a simple method. Just multiply 3 and 4. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Find the multiples of 12. All the multiples of 12 must be a common multiple of 3 and 4. Therefore, common multiples of 3 and 4 less than 100 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and 96. Question number 5. Which of the following numbers are coprime? First, we must recollect what are coprime numbers. Any set of numbers which do not have any other common factor other than 1 are called coprime numbers. On the basis of this definition, let's solve this question. First part, 18 and 35. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. And that of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. Therefore, common factors of 18 and 35 is only 1, which means that 18 and 35 are coprime. Next part, 15 and 37. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. And that of 37 are 1 and 37. 37 is a prime number. Therefore, common factors of 15 and 37 is only 1, which means that 15 and 37 are coprime. Next part is 30 and 415. Since 5 is a common factor of 30 and 415, therefore 30 and 415 are not coprime. Next part, 17 and 68. We know that 68 is equal to 17 into 4. That is, 17 is a common factor of 17 and 68. Therefore, 17 and 68 are not coprime. Next two parts are very simple. Just have a look. Question number 6. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other number will that number be always divisible? Here, a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. So, it is also divisible by 5 into 12, that is 60. 60 is a common multiple of 5 and 12. So, if a number is divisible by 5 and 12, then it is also divisible by its common multiple 5 into 12, that is 60. Question number 7. A number is divisible by 12. By what other numbers will that number be divisible? First, we will find out the factors of 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Since a number is divisible by 12, so it is also divisible by the factors of 12. Therefore, the number is also divisible by 2, 3, 4 and 6. Here we have completed our exercise 3.4. Students, ask questions, try to solve as many problems as you can, and thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.